What's all the racket about, Randy Bobandy? What are you doing on my porch? Hey, Randy. Luna, leave him alone. You might be sorry about that. He might peck your eyes out. What's happening over here? Look at you, Big Reg, with all of your girls. What do you think this is? The Love Shack? Hey. Oh, Randy Bobandy's jealous. I can hear him down there somewhere. Randy Bobandy, where did you go? I don't know where that little bugger went. Hello, ladies. Hello, Reggie. It's okay. Oh, I hear a commotion under the deck. I would have to say... What? What do you got to say to me, Reg?